Okay, so here we are with another bound up cylinder due to oil-based lubrication, just compounded dirt, oil, dirt, oil, dirt, oil, until it's now seized. So to unseize this, we'll use some BP penetrating oil. This is going to break down all the contents that's in here. So we'll just kind of set this up. Like so. Sprayer full. Wait a little bit. Let that clean that up. And then flush with brake clean. Run a key in and out of it. Help move everything around in there. And then continue to flush it out a little bit more. All that is in there. Then we'll... don't think I have any compressed air. Maybe I do. Once you get your cylinder blown out with some compressed air or canned air, we can then re-lubricate with some Teflon dry lubricant that will not attract the dirt and grit and other things that can destroy your lock. That's how you're going to clean out a seized cylinder. For more information, check out the website below. Wayne's Lock Shop. We strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high security locks to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between. Safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com. Hey guys, it's the end of the video. Help me out and help me help you out. Right below the description box right here is a red subscribe button. Subscribe to me and then you're going to get the latest and greatest information that I put out. Sometimes it applies to you, sometimes it doesn't. It's just going to at least let you know that we're putting out new and current information. And then right over here is a thumbs up button. Give me a thumbs up. Help this video rank higher in the searches for the search terms that you're using, and let other people be able to see this. That's the best way you can help. Interact. Leave a comment. I will get back with you if I can and try and help you answer your questions. But the more you interact and post this to Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and spread this through the social media, the more that allows me to be able to help do more videos. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And subscribe, share, and like. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.